Super Easy Drawings. Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute rainbow unicorn. Let's start drawing. Let's start with her cute eyes, eyelashes, then her nose and a smiling mouth. I draw her ears, her hair, her unicorn horn, then her body. Let's finish here her hair and her four legs. Let's finish with her cute tail. I draw some candy and lollipops here. Now let's decorate it here like this. And some clouds. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color our cute unicorn, I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. Red. I start with her hair. Then I use orange. Yellow. Then light green. Light blue. Purple. And pink. Fuchsia. Let's use the colors of the rainbow again. Fuchsia. Yellow. Red. Pink. Light blue. Aqua blue. Light blue. And I add a little bit of pink in the background. Great! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.